What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. For today, we're just doing a quick fluid maintenance on this 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage, which happens to be my roommate's, and then we're going to do a quick interior cleanup and detail, and then same for the exterior, just a quick wash down. With that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video. I hope you like it, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and leave a like down below. Thanks.
Invincible.
Far from perfect, I know that, but I had about an hour and a half to work with, so I got done what I could, made it a whole lot better than what it was when I started, and I think it turned out pretty okay for not spending too much time. But with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate it, and that's all I have for this time, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace.